Today I'm teaching you race problems, when A beats B by meters or by seconds. SSC CGL Quant loves this wording because one phrase looks like the other and the wrong ratio follows. By the end you will freeze the finish, read a meter beat into a speed ratio, and keep a time beat separate. Here's our map before any ratio. First we share one clock at the finish. Then we translate a meter beat into where B stands. Then we read the speed ratio separate a time beat, work one full example and you try a short one. Picture a 1,000-meter race before we write a formula. A beats B by 100 meters. When A hits the tape, where exactly is B? And what does that say about their speeds? Freeze the moment A finishes. Both runners have used the same time. Speeds sit in the ratio of the distances each has covered in that shared time. A beats B by X meters in a race of D meters means this. A has run the full D, and B has run only D minus X. The wording names how far B still has to go. In that shared time, speed of A over speed of B equals D over D minus X. Same clock, two distances, that is the whole ratio. Beats by T seconds means something else. A finishes in time T, and B still needs T more seconds for the full race. B's time for D is T plus T. In a 1,000-meter race, A beats B by 100 meters. A finishes in 100 seconds. Find the speeds of A and B. When A has run 1,000 meters, B has run 900. Shared time is 100 seconds. A's speed is 1,000 over 110 meters per second. B's speed is 900 over 109 meters per second. Ratio check. 1,000 to 900 is 10 to 9. A is 10 meters per second. B is 9 meters per second. The trap. If asked how many seconds A beats B by for the full race, give B the full 1,000 at 9 meters per second, 1,000 over 9 seconds, then subtract A's 100. In a 500-meter race, A beats B by 50 meters. What is the ratio of A's speed to B's speed? The answer is 10 to 9. When A runs 500, B runs 450, so 500 to 450 simplifies to 10 to 9. Freeze when A finishes. A meter beat means B is short of the tape. Their paces follow those distances on one clock. A time beat adds seconds to B's full race time. Comment below with one thing that still confused you. That feedback shapes the next lesson. Subscribe for more SSC CGL Quant lessons in this series. Then open the ExamMaster app and drill races while this is fresh.